How to do a spin transition effect. To begin, I added 2 videos to my timeline and I want to create a spin transition effect between them. Create a new adjustment layer with default settings. Then drag it above your videos and timeline. With your adjustment layer selected, press Ctrl+R and set duration to 20 frames. Now drag it to be at the center of the cut between your clips. Hold down the Alt key and use left and right arrow keys to move it 1 frame at a time. Now go to Effects panel and search for Transform. Drag and drop Transform effect into your adjustment layer. With your adjustment layer selected, go to Effect Controls and move the playhead to the start. Click on Stopwatch next to Scale under Transform to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to the middle and set Scale to 350 to create the second keyframe. Move the playhead to the end and click on Reset Parameter button to set Scale to 100 again and create the third keyframe. Now move the playhead at the start and click on Stopwatch next to Rotation to create a starting keyframe. Go to Next Keyframe and set Rotation to 180 to create the second keyframe. Go to Next Keyframe and set Rotation to 360 to create the last keyframe. Now we have this spin transition with scale, but when rotation happening, we can see these blacks in video. Move the playhead to where you can see the blacks and increase the scale at those positions. Now let's add some blur to the transition. In the Effects panel, search for Directional Blur and drag it to the adjustment layer. Now move the playhead at the start and click on Stopwatch next to Blur Length to create a starting keyframe. Go to Next Keyframe and set Blur Length to 25 to create the second keyframe. Go to Next Keyframe and set Blur Length to 0 to create the last keyframe. And now our transition is completed. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.